Welcome to City Grill. My name's Rob Vore. In this episode, Sriracha garlic shrimp. It is amazingly delicious. It's easy to prep up and it's very fast to cook and get done. You can do this inside on a skillet in your stove or cooktop. I'm gonna do it out on the grill just to make it different, right? So the first thing I'm gonna do, I have my side burner on. I'm gonna put some sesame oil, a tablespoon or two. Yeah, that's about a tablespoon of oil in there, sesame oil. I have some freshly minced garlic, fresh, and some ginger, as well as some crushed red pepper. We'll stick that in there just like so. Oh boy. Let that fry up just a little bit. Get some good flavor going in there. You know, with any gas grill with a side burner, and I highly recommend this to Weber and everybody else. Give us about 4 or 5 more inches over here on the side, because pans do not fit on these side burners. Now, yes, this is a big wok, but you could use an iron skillet. It would fit a little bit better, but I'm just saying, I just wish it would give you more room on these gas grills. Let me just put a little bit of more olive oil in here. I'm going to put some on here. Just like so. Get that cooked up real well. All right. And well, I have this on a low heat. It's looking pretty good already. I'm going to put my marinade in. So I have some soy sauce, some brown sugar, water. Just mix this up a little bit more. And what else? I have something else in there. Sriracha, right? So I'm just going to put that in there. Let that warm up. In the meantime, I want to put the shrimp on the grill. Now in my grill, I'm going to spray a little bit of oil on this, I don't know what to call it, this pan, whatever in here, because I want to make it easy to cook the shrimp, right? So I'm going to just place my shrimp right on top of this. I got about 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds of shrimp here. I'm just going to place this in here. And I'm using this grate thing in order to mix it up kind of fast and easy. You can put it on skewers too if you like, that works too. But I'm just going to let those shrimp cook on there. Give it a couple minutes. I got about a medium heat. I don't want to overcook them. I just want to start to get them to pink. I'm going to flip them over, and then in a minute here we're going to put them in our sauce and we're going to be ready to eat. It goes that fast. Okay, I've been cooking the shrimp. It's only been like 200, 225 degrees inside my grill. So it's not super hot to cook the shrimp, but it took a little bit more time, but it's looking really good. And that's all I need. It's done. I don't want to get it overcooked by no means, because I'm going to put it into my sauce here. I'm going to turn off my heat, my burners in here, just to leave this warm. So let's go check out the sauce. So over here, I've had my sauce going. It's probably it's actually on my low burner heat here, but it's still plenty hot with this skillet, right? It smells incredible. I wish you could smell this. It is amazing. That fresh garlic and ginger in here. Oh, so I'm trying to reduce this down. It's going to thicken up just slightly. I'm going to leave this on just for another minute or so. Then we're going to add the shrimp and we're going to be ready to eat. All right, my sauce looks really good. It's starting to thicken up a little bit. It's not going to get real thick, but it's thickening up. The water is evaporating out of that sauce itself. It smells so good. It smells like, I hate to say it, it's an Asian restaurant. It smells like it out here. It smells great. So, next thing I want to do is get my shrimp out of the grill, and I'm just going to spoon feed this right into my sauce here, just like so. I'll go ahead and take some of that scrap shrimp right there. That's good stuff. We'll just mix this up into this marinade sauce, the sriracha, the garlic, the ginger. I'll tell you what, this is so good. Easy to do. Again, you can do this on the stove top. Real simple to do. And it's quick and easy too, right? So we have that ready to go. Last step here, I'm just going to take it into my bowl here. I'm going to pour it in here just like so. You want some of that good gravy. It's great with white rice and vegetables, and I'll do some broccoli, or I don't know, any kind of vegetable will work great on it. So just like that, we'll take that inside and get ready to eat it and give it a try. All right, I brought the Sriracha garlic shrimp in the house. We're gonna garnish it with some scallions here. I've got them ready to go. Just pour them on there just like so. And I toasted some sesame seeds, right? Nothing like some good sesame seeds on the dish. And that's it. It's real simple. Let's give it a try. I'm gonna take one of these nice big shrimps with some onion on it. Oh, wow. Amazing. It's got a little bit of heat from the Sriracha sauce, right? And just flavor. It is so good. You have to try this recipe. Get it at citygrill.com and subscribe to my YouTube channel.